second day here in Rome, on the grid in 4th and 5th position. After a really strong qualifying for the team, we can do a lot from here in what will be a very strategic race in incredibly hot temperatures. The goal, maximising points to go to London to really take the championship down to the last 2 races at our home race.
The Rome E-Prix is underway. Now the two Jaguars running 4th and 5th. Side by side they go. Cassidy on the outside. Oh, Mitchell! And over onto the back of Nick Cassidy. Sam Bird, Norman Natto, Jake Dennis. But is it going to be second or is it going to be third? Sam Bird comes over the line in 3rd place ahead of Edo Mortara.
It's been a challenging day for us, but luckily I was able to score a podium today. Unfortunately, Mitch had his issue during the race, but we're going to London now, championship hunting still, and we'll never give up at Jaguar TCS Racing.